I'm cutting the 8x8 post that the girder will set on, and I'm just measuring from the top of the little concrete slab up to the string. I've got 2 of them cut. Now there will be a steel plate that I'll put on the bottom of this, and I'll screw them to it after I do the Shou Sugi Ban on these. I'll burn these up about a good foot and then put the steel plate on there and then anchor it down. But I'll bring you around here and we'll cut the last one that goes down there. Since this is an 8x8, my beam saw will only cut just a little bit over 6 inches. I'll be able to cut down within 2 inches of the bottom of it, and then I'll finish it up with my little cordless saw. But just taking my square and a really sharp pencil, I'm drawing across there. Then I'm going to draw down the sides too, because I'll connect this point right here on both sides across the bottom when I make my final part of the cut. And I'll get this side. I think I'll go ahead and mark that other side while I'm doing this. Got just a little bit of wane over here, but it'll be all right. Mark that so I can kind of tell where I am. I'm going to clamp this down to my sawhorse. I'll finish it up with this little saw here. Just got about 1.5 inches there, or 2 inches to go. I'm taking my square and just checking to make sure I don't have any little humps in there. I've got a little bitty one right there. I'm going to take my grinder and just clean this up just a little bit. I'll check it with my square. It's getting pretty close. Just one little spot there. Okay, I've got it there. Good deal. Now I'll turn this around and cut the other end. Okay, I need 32 3/16. That's 3 of those little bitty black marks. got all three of them cut. And the next thing to do would be to put the torch to them and do the Shou Sugi Ban and put the plates on the bottom, which will raise it up 1/4 of an inch above my string, which actually is a good thing. My girder that I had sawed out, a pretty good crown, and I resawed it, and so now it is 7 3/4, and so the 1/4 inch on the bottom will bring me back up to where I actually need to be for my elevation. The tops of those posts will be actually 1/4 of an inch above that string, and then the 7 3/4 girder will put my floor joists where they need to be. I'm using my propane tank, and this torch works really well. I've used it before. And I've got the last post right there to do the Shou Sugi Ban burn on. Okay, that's ready to set on back on top of the concrete. Okay. I've got a line right here and one right here. That's where the girder will sit. And I've moved my string so that I can get on this, well, it's actually 1.5 inches from the outside where I want this post to sit, but even with this string. I think that'll work. All right. Well, that's right in the center. Got a nice heart cut there. we had to hurry against the rain, but we got the girder on there, and I got the post anchored down. I made some brackets here. I've got it anchored to the concrete and to the post real good, so that should keep it from ever moving. And once we put our floor joist on, that'll take care of any shake in it this way. It's a pretty good chore, but we got it all done. It's up there, it's on the lines. It's right where it needs to be. So we're ready now to put a ledger along here for the joist to sit on and get a floor in this thing.